Now all studio honor answer na initiate.
You tell na me studio ho, but now already be a friend Samson Dean.
Okay.
African Origin Travels. Me say you give me some come work only travel agent here in Amano.
Okay.
The jingles no school no radio station be what's your friend Metro FM.
Metro FM.
Ukwa Jiswa. Utre Jiswa on left ho.
Yeah.
On and on. The jingles in I'm the jingles in Amano, new voiceovers in Tina my particular jingle be manana. He wanted that day to come for it.
Okay.
Tina my pressure pa. I feel soon muna. Now one unfortunate thing and unfortunate thing is that minya deal bi o Cote d'Ivoire na avures you na come back half for talk eba be yibiti me na minya contract say be studio ho no ma be rehearsals and a whole lot of it you see kakakra minya ye no.
Okay.
Between 30th May to 1st June.
Okay.
I augmented my fleet of equipment, brand new equipment in the car. You know, so I went to my rehearsals ni. The 3rd June, no, Papa something did a friend me say me fa na yimano. As some way me come patrol tia hani ye. There has been very controversy and say Obinim din old interview because I cram for Sara kofa baya obo mi din o say 3rd June no we yimi free. You know man for esre no. And those people who don't believe in spiritual matters tell them young guys will be no. Before 3rd June no Obinim me nkwana sorry.
Okay.
Guy ba kwa me na adwuma na o ye sound engineer ho.
Okay.
During one of his church service. And that oil professor who say, catch engineer say, oh, obi on na adwuma. A friend Fredima. Oh, sa asema to no. Asema na abeto no e water fire. And owo e be baso. Oh say, oh baby o ha ase isuo. E intom on friend mami. Me so I don't play with my spiritual things from my childhood.
Yeah.
Papa ni baby na me call. Ghana for that time much man no see no so we dinner tell na me call. No kwara ka jam say ade won hu ni e be baso but obema mpa ma me bi owo no. E twemo fi but e be baso. Say ade be ba. It is about to happen.
Okay.
But I mean but one tell say to tell you never. He never told me say tell you never. The tell you no something didn't ma me pressure sa o ma me pressure. Only guy back when Kennedy boy chance or GBC crowd on sports. So get Kennedy. Yeah, many na jingles in na and at this. No one pressure. Me second one am I one. At that time, no about a school or no so premier college. And I'm smart saying to do ho emeyi. You know, offend say false no for my papa no.
Yeah.
What try me free or me to focus or try me free. Say oko baby e kwakọ for to sabe fi say daddy oh he can go but ko
Adena he can go
that's a baby something just you know so the way I say what you swim down on to me go
Obana kan sa no how did you feel?
I made me feel bad say I told
Disrespect.
yeah disrespect me this woman am here organo asoma me can me nko na me hu ye na me tina make do whether you believe it or you don't believe it I don't care.
Okay. Adena ya
me pon no people no say
yeah
to me yes you bring econo asema me ti eje ase Obinim anim abe flash me say sign the word sign pe na me tell you be able to see me as a trans
Obinim anim eba
yes say sign na me say me be able to see me na me tell me couch no but come on boss say ya be able to see me na my wife so akokrom and o catch him say no the way in so be amuna no because I me back room am inside.
Wow.
And sometimes we have to listen to our wives any your girlfriends yenti omo to listen to that voice let me say because how can be wu ade chin yenti bo ben 9-10 o'clock makwala bia no hwe studio over me
yeah
the ofremi busam where my whereabouts because I put my phone off actually I'm sorry I girlfriend wo here so na me so bo pokwa so already me do ase sa no kan but I girlfriend do studio ni na o cast we bia so na fa no ahye na fa no ko I lost everything. I had 3 recording studios. Well stocked. I lost everything because I lost everything. The after effect, after about 2 weeks, it also killed my brother-in-law. Then achieved me and my wife. So one and I all can. It's so obi to baby, and then I want time Mark of Obinim say, "Oh, you free?" Me say, "Oh yes, oh you me free, but yeah, physical." He was not there physical. You can't spiritual things also come speaker. You know, now I'm for the other 2 Facebook wrong tag me. I will say to be my pastor. I will not answer you cry. Opa Gidi, it's my life.
Definitely.
And I obeyed that instruction, you know. Can you say come to church here Obinim cry your hand? Eti assembly see I may lose maybe and Obinim occupy na be family kotra fie for 3 years. He was giving me money, chop money, etc. my university fees because at that time I go broke. The OBTV I was managing but well Ghana how be favor so am for be anyone. Mafia for be home mafia me. Oh fio papa no pemasem. The 23rd of March 2017. Now my program of peace FM by no catch him so this is the problem. The other work is the man. Say you man or the man me say me ntimi but no mo boa. No mafia me na papa catch me ko trafie. Obinim was paying me money while I was not even working. So now some money can Japan buy and no catch the father. The way I near my balance yen sacrifice with the enye free. It's up to now on any year for this Obinim dey be am my car. First Obinim me do no dey money cool no dey no ni bi no dey. I'll be forever grateful because in my life, Babu Sweni be anyone a fact check. A signing check of 10,000 Ghana cedis. I mean that if you been did it for me. Only minimum no. Sorry.
But if you all start to corner,
me call a member pa.
So yeah, member.
Me a big member pa.
And you say you had one or yet in the sound man.
Oh, that be how many sound no. What's a professional table ha? I'm not sure I can be afraid when I know what check a crowd just saying. You know, until that's what really happened. All my life. Okay. Until tell you, happy. I lost my brother-in-law. I lost my equipment. But hey, here I with my life.
Okay. Okay, Intino. Say Fred Chairman and any studio or yet production. What do you do personally? Like